Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this any kind of mobile phone that if its internet is not working, what you can do. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Many times it happens that we are traveling somewhere and we face problems like that. Internet is not working properly or any problem you will face over there. First of all, internet should be on, and after that, if it's on, you have to go to this section over here and you have to long press over the data option. After that, you have to go below and go to the advanced settings, or you will find a data roaming option over there. You have to click on that. If you are frequently changing the state, you have to change it to always on, so that international or data roaming is on, otherwise it won't work on your mobile phone. Or if even that its problem is not solved, or you are frequently changing the location, that means that you are connecting again and again into new tower connection. Then what the problem that many time it happens that the network didn't connect well. So what we can do, we have to go to this section over again and we have to click on this aeroplane mode. After that, your internet or sim card service will be stopped for a few while, and after that you have to, after just few seconds, you have to switch it on and your internet or network will start getting back into your mobile phone, and now your mostly problem will be solved. Even then, if you don't found that it's working well for you, then what we have to do, we have to restart our mobile phone or update our mobile phone, or then your your hardware portions are not working. When you switch it off and switch it again, its hardware will start working and you will face no problem in using internet. Hope you understood that how you can get rid of internet or calling service is not working. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it. Don't forget to comment below. Hope you liked.